Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, and I am pairing it with Scraplist Sunday, and I will put it up there where Laura and I scraplift the wonderful, lovely lady Kitty Scraps a Lot, I think is what her name is on Instagram, but I'll link it up there. And this is the cut file. It actually had 3 flower pots, and I decided to use one because you will see that I got to make strips. So my background is this. These are of my photos, and the collection I am using is Fancy Pants, the Honey and Bee collection from the May 2023 from Scrap Room. So let's see what I can do. Alright, so I'm going to start by doing my distressing like I always do, and then I will do my doodling. Kiki Scraps a Lot is part of the Paper Issues design team, and they do the same similar thing that Laura and I do, which is Scraplift Sunday, and they were actually scraplifting Janessa Franco, so it's kind of like a 3-parter if you, in a sense, because each one of us is scraplifting kind of each other. So that is what we're doing. That is what I'm doing there. And make sure you go check out Laura over on her channel to see her take. Obviously, this is a part of my design team layout for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. The cut file that I am going to use, there's 3 pots of flowers, and I am going to use one of them for my main focal point on the corner of the layout, and then I was going to use 2 photos, and then I cut it back down to 1. I will still obviously do the other photo, just not in this layout, as I was going to in the beginning when you saw that I had 2 photos out. This cut file that I am using is actually called Pot Plants, and it's just one of the 3 that I'm using. So I am following this layout very closely because I really love how it turns out. I am putting down the papers first, and then I'm going to go in and do my mixed media because I really want to achieve the look that she's got going, where the dry mixed media, because I can tell that she used Distress Oxides and some splatters, and I'm going to put them on top of it. Now, in her layout, it looks like she wanted it to achieve the look of having thread running across her papers. Now, I can't really tell in the picture if she did or not, but I know for me, I'm going to use my black pen to make it look like I used black thread, just for time's sakes, for this particular layout. Make sure you go check out Confessions shop. They are linked down below. I love all about her cut files, and this is one of the new ones for the month of May. Make sure you go check out all of that. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure that you're part of the group as well. She does release some freebies for the month, and she's got some challenges coming up for the summer too that I think you guys would enjoy as well. I love this Fancy Pants collection, the Honeybee collection, because I think it's very boho, very me, and it works out well with the gingham collection, and that's why I pulled in that other paper from the gingham, which gave me the stripes, because I really wanted to pull in the black that was on some of the papers, so that's why you see the gray and the black outline for my cut file, and then the honeybee colors are in the inside. So this is why I decided to go with just this photo. I didn't want to cut the photo down just so that I could get both of them on there. I felt like this is going to work well. And I know that this is something new for us in the area, or at least that we found last year and the year before. And it's called Penguin Ice. And so it's like ice cream, but it's all ice shavings. And then you get your flavors. So like this particular one is cheesecake that I ate. And I think Josh had like a peanut butter one when we tried it out. This was our first time trying this out. And I think it's called Vampire Ice is what it is. I think it's Vampire Ice. At least in our area is what it's called. And it's ice shavings that taste like having something. But it's literally 0 calories except for the little bit of whipped cream and cheese, you know, like the for this particular one, it was like the strawberries, you know, in that regard. So we eat it quite a bit now because we do like it, especially during the summertime because it's so ungodly hot in the state of Georgia. So yeah. And then I do back the photo with some of the papers. And now I'm coming in with the embellishments. Now the embellishment clusters, she kind of kept to that one side, but I decided to kind of mix it up a little bit and kind of place them in certain spots that I would like them to be. And I felt like this just turned out well because I like the potted plants and just adding that boho flavor to or feel that I like in with my layouts. Even though that this looks very pinkish, very reddish, I felt like it worked out well. So then I went in and got some Vicky Bouton stickers that I wanted to do my title as Discover Things because this is discovering. This was I've got other photos that I have scrapped before, but this was the first time of us actually trying it out. We were out on a date night. And then I wanted to add the gold arrows. And you'll see me add the other one in there. And then I do get some greenery growing in the potted flowers. Because essentially Penguin Ice is all about being dark and vampire-y and that kind of thing. And it looks like you're in like this very... It's vampire. I don't know why I keep thinking it's penguin. I think it's vampire ice. Anyway, it's like very dark and moody and all of that. And it's like a really fun place to eat just as a dessert and stuff. So, but I wanted to add a little bit of greenery in there just to bring in some more greens. But then I do add another gold arrow as well. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design team layouts, collaborations, all of the fun stuff, all of the things. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button because I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So here I am. This is where I bring in the other gold heart or the arrow I meant because I felt like, you know, I had two. I needed another one. It felt like it needed another one. And then I added 3 little green sprigs. Now, in the still shots, you'll definitely see it. Here, you probably see a little bit more of the black, but that's okay. Now, I came in with the pops of color, the black pops of color, and I wanted to add my 3 little dots everywhere. I've gotten to like how that turns out. I'm just adding it in different spots. And then that is it. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.